let's say I wanted to guess, to predict what my grade would be in the next grading period. So I said 85, and I put it in a range of 85 plus minus 5. So that would be 80, somewhere between 80 to 90, right? And to come up with this number, I asked 5 of my classmates. I asked them what my grade would be, and because of this, because of asking 5 of my classmates, I was 95% sure that I would get a grade of 80 to 90. Let's say we reduce this range, so it would be 85 plus minus 2. So the range would be reduced to 83 to 87. I asked the same number of classmates, but because the range was reduced, I would be less sure than before, because 83 to 87 is less than 80 to 90. Right? So I would be, let's say, 90% sure that I got a grade of 83 to 87. How about a grade of 1 to 100? I asked the same number of classmates, but now I would be really sure. I would be 100% sure, because that's all the grades you would get, right? 1 to 100. Greater than before, greater than 80 to 90, right? Because 1 to 100 is a bigger range than 80 to 90. So how can I increase the confidence without decreasing or increasing the range? I would ask more people. So instead of 5 people, I would ask 20 people. So I would ask 20 classmates. So for a range of 85 plus minus 5, that's 80 to 90, I would be more sure than before, let's say 98%, because instead of asking 5 people, I asked 20 people. How about a range of 85 plus minus 2, so 83 to 87 again. I asked 20 instead of 5. So I would be more confident than before. So instead of being just 90% confident, I would be 95% confident. All of this just have different names in statistics. Your range would be your confidence limits. Confidence limits. 85 plus minus 5 would be your sample mean, plus minus your sampling error. Sampling error. The number of classmates you'd ask would be your sample size. And then how confident you were would be your confidence level. All of this are related in an equation of population mean. For this example, your population mean would be the actual grade you got, equals your sample mean plus minus, so take note, sample mean plus minus sampling error. So to solve your sampling error, you would get your z. Your z is taken from the z-score table, so confidence level of 95% would have a corresponding z-score of 1.96. So all of this would just have a corresponding z-score depending on your confidence level. So z times your sample standard deviation divided by your sample size. There you go. So in our next video, we'll apply this formula on an example. Thank you.